Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you increase the time to the screen timeout at the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. For that you will need the settings so just scroll down here below the battery symbol and then you have here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to go to the point display and a bit below you will find the point screen timeout. Yeah, I mean it's already 2 minutes because that I can show you the videos here better. By default it's 30 seconds and if you want to increase it, just choose the time you want to have. But please take care, the screen is taking the most energy at the phone. What I recommend to you that the screen timeout doesn't come always if you read something, take this point here. Keep screen on while viewing. So the camera is detecting your face and knows then when you are looking at the screen and when not. Okay, so this is the best settings then, and at maximum I recommend to you to save energy, take 1 minute. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answering your question, and maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and maybe until next time. Ciao!